Hello everyone. So today I wanted to show you how you can host your bot for free. It can be a Discord bot or a music bot, but you can host it completely for free without paying for anything. Now there are many hosts, but the one I'm going to talk about, the one I found to be the best, is the wireless bot hosting. So you are going to open your browser, go to wireless.net. Once you are here on this page, you can click on get started free. You can then go ahead and register your account. Once you have registered, you will see a menu like this. So click on new bot and name your bot what you want it to be. I am going to show you this particular bot which I will be hosting for free on this hosting. So let's get right into it. Once you click on new bot, go ahead and name it and click on the language it's written in. For me, my bot is in Python, so I'm going to click on Python, and the file name should be the main script file name. So in that case, mine is main.py, and I'm going to write main.py. And if you have saved your Discord bot token, which I highly recommend saving it in environmental variable file, you are going to click on add variable, variable name, whatever you have used the variable name to be. First, the Discord, for me it's Discord token. It can be anything for you which you have referenced in your main file. So go ahead and write the variable name and then the value, the key which you can get from your developer portal right here. Once you have done that, you can either create an empty project or a zip upload. I would recommend going with the empty project since it's user friendly and easy to set up. Go ahead and click on create bot. Once you are here, most of the providers, they don't give you that much of space. Wireless gives you 150 megabytes of space, and furthermore it doesn't require you to keep renewing your hosting. So once you have hosted, you can forget and it will be hosted forever. That's what wireless hosting offers. Basically, if you go to discloud.com, you will need to renew your bot every 2 or 3 days. That can get tiresome. So I would totally recommend using this one. Now click on your bot. Once you are here, go to files and you can see your main py file. Now either you can upload your file here or you can just copy the code of this file, Control A and copy and paste it here. As you can see, my file references the code from the environmental variable right here, token is equal to os.getEnv. Now the name Discord token or anything you name here should match exactly the one you put in your environmental variable earlier. So once you have set this, go ahead and save and make sure to update the requirements. For my bot, the requirements are these two requirements, so it can depend on your bot. If you don't know what requirements your bot requires, you can just ask an AI. Okay, go ahead and paste the requirements here and click on save. Now once you have both these files, you can go to console and click on start. You can see my bot is hosted now. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. Now let me type setup to see if it actually works. Now this setup is not necessarily will be in your bot. My bot basically sets up the server for me. So this is what this bot is about. Your bot can be a moderator bot or a gaming bot or a music bot, so it's up to you. Once you have set up, let's see, yep, it's working. You can see right here it will create channels and categories. So this was all about hosting your bot for free on Viirless.net. Now, a few things to consider. If you don't know your bot's token, you can go to developer portal, log in with your Discord account, go to applications, and for me it's my Midnight Club bot. So I'll go to Midnight Club and then I will go to bot, and here's the token that I can use to get this bot online. So make sure you get this token and make sure you don't show it to anyone or they can get access to your bot. So this video assumes that you know how to make a bot, you just need to know how to get it to host. So if you have any problem or any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and have a nice day.